AI at CES 2026 is insane. Here's what's coming. Las Vegas is about to witness a technological storm, and CES 2026 is leading the charge. This isn't just another gadget show, it's the first stage where AI, robotics and autonomous systems collide in the real world. For years, tech enthusiasts have watched prototypes and simulations, but this year, AI is stepping off the lab bench and into our everyday lives. From robots that walk and talk, to home assistants that think, to appliances that manage themselves, CES 2026 promises a peek into a world that feels more science fiction than reality. And the biggest part? Most of this is already confirmed or teased, meaning the future is coming faster than ever. Hyundai's AI robotics takeover. The excitement begins with Hyundai Motor Group, which has confirmed a dedicated media day on January 5th. For 45 minutes, Hyundai will showcase its AI robotics strategy, highlighting human-robot collaboration, manufacturing innovation, and logistics powered by AI. This isn't just a PowerPoint presentation. Hyundai is showing real robots performing real tasks, demonstrating how AI integrates into the production line, warehouses, and supply chains. Their approach is tied to a software-defined factory concept, meaning robots aren't just tools, they are intelligent agents capable of being trained, updated, and redeployed dynamically across environments. But the real headline: Boston Dynamics' next-gen Atlas robot is making its first public appearance. Alongside Atlas, Spot and Mob Ed will perform live demos showcasing mobility, dexterity, and AI-driven decision-making. Atlas, long regarded as the pinnacle of humanoid robotics, is expected to walk, run, and manipulate objects with unprecedented autonomy. And then there's Humanoid, a compact AI mobility platform designed for rugged terrain, sensor transport, and payload delivery. It's not just a robot, it's a glimpse at the future of autonomous logistics in the real world. CES 2026 is the first time many will see robots doing what we thought only humans could do. LG's Clo ID, the home robot revolution. From industrial spaces, CES moves into the heart of the home. LG is bringing Clo ID, a robot designed to interact with daily life like a human assistant. Clo ID comes with 2 articulated arms, each with 5 independently actuated fingers, a head module equipped with cameras, microphones, speakers, and advanced sensors. Powered by LG's affectionate intelligence, Clo ID can recognize objects, navigate rooms, open doors and cabinets, handle laundry, and perform household tasks autonomously. For the first time in public, visitors at CES will see a robot that understands context, responds to commands, and adapts to human environments. This isn't just automation, this is a companion, a helper, and an assistant rolled into one AI entity. LG positions Clo ID as part of a broader home automation and assistance ecosystem, signaling a future where robots integrate seamlessly into our daily routines. Samsung's AI living ecosystem. Samsung is doubling down on smart home AI. Their CES presence will feature an AI refrigerator family hub integrated with Google Gemini, capable of recognizing foods, tracking inventory, and even managing user-labeled containers. But the ecosystem doesn't stop there. A bespoke AI wine cellar will track bottles, monitor storage conditions, and digitally organize collections. Meanwhile, AI-powered kitchen appliances like over-the-range microwaves and slide-in ranges coordinate with the fridge and the wider AI ecosystem, creating a seamless, intelligent kitchen experience. And for entertainment, Samsung's micro RGB TV lineup has been upgraded with dynamic frequency, full RGB stripe structure, and refresh rates up to 240 Hz, delivering cinema quality visuals. CES 2026 isn't just about gadgets, it's about entire lifestyles powered by AI. Nvidia, the backbone of AI. On January 5th, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang takes the stage for a keynote expected to reshape our understanding of AI, simulation and autonomy. Nvidia plans to unveil physical AI systems, robotics workflows and AI platforms that power next-gen robotics and autonomous solutions. Alongside Nvidia, Intel is debuting Panther Lake processors optimized for AI workloads, edge computing and GPU-heavy tasks, while AMD CEO Lisa Su will cover future processors and AI platforms focusing on power efficiency and AI integration. What's the takeaway? These companies are building the infrastructure that will make AI omnipresent. From labs to homes and factories to cities. Lenovo and Motorola. Smarter devices ahead. Lenovo will host its Tech World event at the Sphere in Las Vegas, highlighting AI-driven hardware and software systems. Meanwhile, Motorola teases a book-style foldable smartphone, hinting at a form-factor evolution beyond current flip designs. This is CES 2026, showing that the future isn't just about AI, it's about devices that are intelligent by design, ready to integrate AI seamlessly into our lives. Robotics hardware and tactile AI. CES 2026 isn't just about consumer robots. Paxini is debuting tactile sensing platforms that give robots force feedback and real-time grip awareness. Leopard Imaging is demonstrating humanoid-ready perception systems for low-light environments, motion handling, and real-time interaction. This is the year robots finally start to feel the world around them, bringing AI closer to human-like perception and dexterity. Consumer robotics. AI in everyday life. Consumer robotics are making a big splash. Roborock introduces advanced vacuum platforms with smarter navigation and mapping. Aper debuts AI-powered pool cleaners designed for autonomous cleaning routines. Robotin R2 Pro combines vacuuming, mopping and carpet washing in one system. Albot shows an AI cyberpet companion, blending interaction and companionship. WI Robotics' Alex is an upper-body assistive robot, supporting mobility and physical tasks. CES 2026 proves that AI isn't limited to labs, it's becoming personal, practical and interactive. Robots are no longer just tools, they're companions, helpers and assistants. The suspense why CES 2026 feels different. Here's why this CES feels historic. AI isn't confined to screens or simulations anymore. Robots walk, talk, navigate and assist humans in real time. AI doesn't just analyze, it acts. Appliances don't just track, they anticipate. From factory floors to living rooms, from kitchens to streets, AI is entering our lives in ways we couldn't imagine a decade ago. Every keynote, every demo, and every product at CES 2026 points to one undeniable truth. The AI era isn't coming, it's already here. Key themes that will dominate CES 2026. Autonomy in the physical world. Robots like Atlas, Spot, and MobED aren't toys. They're intelligent systems capable of independent navigation, task execution, and real-world decision-making. Home integration. Robots like Clo ID and consumer AI systems show how AI will manage everyday life, from chores to companionship. Smart ecosystems. Samsung and LG demonstrate how appliances, TVs and devices will operate as connected AI-managed networks, not isolated smart gadgets. AI infrastructure. Nvidia, Intel and AMD are laying the foundational compute power for AI at scale. Edge computing, next-gen processors, and AI-optimized GPUs are all part of the backbone. Human-centric robotics, Tactile sensing, motion perception, and interactive capabilities show that robots will understand, respond, and even anticipate human needs. CES 2026 is not about futuristic concepts. It's about AI making our world smarter, faster, and more interactive today. Why this matters to you? Think about it. By the end of this decade, your home could have a robot assistant that folds laundry, manages inventory, and interacts intelligently with family members. Factories will rely on humanoid robots to handle logistics, precision tasks, and production processes. AI ecosystems in kitchens and living spaces will coordinate appliances, optimize energy, and predict needs without human intervention. Even entertainment will evolve. Micro RGB TVs and high-speed AI systems mean your media isn't just displayed, it's optimized, personalized, and immersive. And for those who love gadgets, AI-first smartphones and foldable devices will integrate seamlessly with everything else in your life. CES 2026 isn't just a show, it's a blueprint for tomorrow. The big question: out of all these innovations, which one is the true game changer? Not the flashy demos, not the PR hype, but the technology that will actually reshape our lives. Is it Hyundai's humanoid robots walking the factory floor? LG's Clo ID assisting families at home? Samsung's fully AI-managed kitchen ecosystem? Or Nvidia's AI infrastructure powering the invisible backbone of our world? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This isn't just speculation. It's the future arriving in real time. If you found this video insightful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. CES 2026 is the first look at a world where AI doesn't just exist. It acts, thinks, and changes the rules of everything.